Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. Haven't done Rune for a while because we only saw 3 waves. It wasn't very interesting. Now it's getting interesting. I did mention to you in the previous video that what we need to see is 5 waves to the upside due to the structure, which could easily be a corrective price structure as well. A, B, C, yeah. But before we had so it could either be now in orange, 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is now getting interesting because before that we only had these 3 here. That was a very clear ABC. Now at least we have 5 up and can count it as 5 up. It is only a diagonal pattern. Diagonal patterns are always less reliable. Therefore, we always need proof in Elliott Wave, which means 5 up means the trend could have shifted from a downtrend from bear market into bull market. It has certainly come down enough, and the larger structure also allows for this move down to be finished now. So we don't necessarily need another low. Yeah, it's all about, we have 5 up. What we now need is 3 waves down into this area between 113 and 134. Now, there is currently no evidence that this wave 1 has topped. I need to say that as well, yeah. What you often get with diagonal patterns is that you get at the end a so-called throw over, which means you throw over the channel. Yeah, basically the price pushes above the channel and would then come down. So at the moment there is no evidence it has topped yet, so that support area might move when I make the next video. Therefore, I'm not adding any buy orders. I will accumulate in this area, but obviously I can't set them yet because I'm not sure if wave 1 has topped yet. Probably, yeah, I need it to move below 150 to have evidence that it has topped. At the moment it hasn't topped yet, so or at least there is no evidence, right? So it's just consolidating like Bitcoin. Ethereum wouldn't be surprised to push a little bit higher before it comes down. So there's definitely no reversal signal yet. No, there is no reversal signal, not really. So it rather looks like triangle consolidation, continuation up here, but it's time to be patient for me, and I'm gonna wait for that area here. Now, saying that count in orange is valid as long as we eventually will hold the green support area, which is then therefore my accumulation area, and we could then wait for the wave 3, or we could trade the wave 3, or I will do that. But again, I can't set the buy orders yet because we might still push higher, and as you can see here, if we push higher, it will extend out those fib levels like a spring. So I can't really set them yet, but it should be sort of in that region, 113, 134. Again, below 150, we have initial evidence that this move down has started. And if we then eventually break 113, 112, then we are probably in the blue count and will eventually make a new low. So either way, shortly, I would expect a move down, at least in the green area. If we drop below it, it's the blue count. Therefore, I would go long here, set a stop loss below the box. And I might even turn on my grid bot. I'm using the 3 commas grid bots. So I might actually turn on the grid bot for this range here. That will be interesting, probably between 112 here and this high currently. Yeah, so I might actually do that if I see it come down a bit, because the grid bot is then we've got a nice defined range. And if we then get the breakout, we could expect, I have to reset the range. Not sure if you're aware of how grid bots work. We made a member live stream about that. If you're interested, you can check that out, obviously, if you become a member. So you can watch the recording, how to use a grid bot. Certainly interesting. Not for everybody, maybe, but yeah, it's certainly something. But I will not only turn on the grid bot, I will also accumulate down here and then hopefully get the wave 3. If we get the wave 3, sort of expected target based on the current high here would be at least $3.07. So that would be a nice reward to risk trade. Okay, and that's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.